how to transfer WhatsApp data or messages from iPhone to Android. So let's get started. Firstly, start with opening the WhatsApp settings on your phone. Once inside the WhatsApp settings, you will get to see chats option available there. Simply tap on it. And inside the chats, you will get to see chat backup option available there. Tap on the backup now and back up your chats and data of WhatsApp. Once the backup is completed, all you have to do is go back to the chats, and there you will get to see move chat to Android option available. Simply tap on it. On the other hand, make sure to download your WhatsApp app on your Android device and log in using the same phone number of your iPhone WhatsApp. And once you have logged in, simply tap on the move from move chats to Android option available there, and it will easily be transferred. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.